Machines now make better financial decisions than humans. AI algorithms are outperforming traditional investors in speed and accuracy. How is technology redefining the investment game? What is enabling this quiet revolution in the stock markets? Get ready to immerse yourself in a world where machines set the pace. Why are human investors losing ground? The answer lies in the coldness and logic of AI algorithms. No emotions, no panic, just fine-grained data and strategies. How does AI keep calm amid market volatility? And what are the consequences of this new era for human traders? The impact is profound and transformative. What does the future hold for the investment world? AI's ability to learn and adapt is creating an insurmountable advantage. How are machines getting better with each transaction, leaving humans behind? What will be the new rules of the market dominated by artificial intelligence? The revolution has already begun and is shaping the future of global finance. If you are enjoying this content, I ask you to subscribe to my channel and help me continue to grow and bring more relevant content. Continuing. Have you ever imagined a world where machines make better financial decisions than humans? This is no longer science fiction. It is the emerging reality in the financial market. But what's behind this phenomenon? Why is this happening now? And more importantly, how is AI actually outperforming human investors? Let's explore these points. AI algorithms analyze data at a speed and accuracy that humans can't match. They scan vast amounts of information in milliseconds, detecting patterns that would go unnoticed by even the most experienced analysts. Artificial intelligence uses advanced machine learning techniques to predict market movements with impressive accuracy. This generates a return on investment that leaves many traditional investors behind. Imagine a scenario where AI can identify a market trend before it even becomes evident to human analysts. This ability to predict the economic future puts machines in a position of unparalleled advantage. AI's ability to operate without emotion is one of its greatest assets. While human investors can be influenced by fear or greed, machines follow pure logic and statistical data. This means that during periods of high market volatility, AI can remain calm and make rational choices, while humans tend to make impulsive decisions that can result in large losses. Consider a time of panic in the market, where everyone is selling stocks en masse. AI, based on historical data and predictive analytics, can identify this situation as a buying opportunity, acting against the emotional tide. This cold and calculating behavior not only prevents losses, but often results in significant gains. Have you ever wondered how AI achieves these feats? The answer lies in their ability to continuously learn. Every transaction, every success, and every mistake are opportunities for AI to improve its predictive models. Over time, these machines become more efficient, accurate, and reliable, creating a growing competitive advantage that humans simply can't keep up with. Think of a chess player who improves with each game by studying opponents' moves and strategies. AI does this on a gigantic scale, assimilating millions of transactions and constantly adjusting its approaches. This cycle of continuous improvement makes machines almost foolproof in the long run, leaving human investors scrambling to keep up. The impact of AI on investments goes beyond profits. It is transforming the very nature of work in the financial sector. Traditional analytics and decision-making functions are being replaced by AI systems oversight and management tasks. This is creating a new dynamic in the job market, where technological knowledge becomes as crucial as financial knowledge. Imagine a scenario where financial analysts need to understand both programming and economics to stay relevant. This is reconfiguring the skills needed to thrive in the financial sector, requiring a unique combination of competencies. Finally, the increasing adoption of AI in the financial market is raising ethical and regulatory questions. To what extent can we rely on machines to make such critical decisions? How do we ensure that these systems are transparent and fair? And what happens when the AI makes a mistake? These are questions that investors, regulators, and technologists are trying to answer as we navigate this new frontier. Consider the possibility that a poorly calibrated algorithm could cause a market crash, or that a discriminatory AI system could harm certain groups of investors. These concerns are at the heart of debates about the future of AI in finance, highlighting the need for robust regulation and constant oversight. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the world of investing, bringing new opportunities and challenges. As we continue to integrate these technologies into our financial strategies, it is crucial to keep a close eye on their development and impact. The AI revolution is just beginning, and its implications will be felt for many years to come. What is clear is that AI's combination of speed, accuracy, and continuous learning is redefining the investment landscape, offering a glimpse into a future where machines dominate the financial markets. The AI revolution in the financial market shows no signs of slowing down. Every day, machines become faster, more accurate, and more unbiased. What does this mean for the future of investing? How can human traders adapt to this new reality? The battle between humans and machines has only just begun. Why trust your wallet with impassive algorithms? AI has already proven its ability to outperform even the best human investors. But is this just the beginning? What's next in the evolution of investment strategies? And how will this affect the global market? The answers could redefine the concept of investing forever. What should investors do to avoid being left behind? Understanding the dynamics of AI is crucial. How do you prepare for a future where technology dominates financial decisions? What are the skills needed to stay relevant? The revolution is underway, and understanding its implications can be the difference between success and obsolescence.